For the mobile version of this episode, please use the link in your Tile TV release email.
Hello and welcome to this edition of Tile TV's Tile Tip, brought to you by Laticrete. On this release, we're going to review how to install the HydroBand preform shower system. Let's go to NTCA Training Director Gerald Sloan for more.
Follow along with us today as we go through the installation of these new products and show how it can increase your bottom line. Before we get started installation, we want to check and make sure that we pre-fit everything to make sure it fits appropriately. This is site sizable. It can be adjusted and it can be cut to fit. So let's check and make sure that this works fine before we do our actual installation. The next step is mixing the polymer fortified medium bed mortar and keying in the mortar to the substrate. Make sure you're trialing in one direction. Then key the mortar to the back side of the pan assembly before installation. Immediately after pan assembly placement, use pressure to shift back and forth and to seat the pan assembly to remove the air pockets between pan assembly and the substrate. This sealant material is used at the perimeter of the pan assembly where the backer board meets the base. After this curve is in place, be sure to clean away any excess mortar and sealant. For niche installations, sealant is applied to the perimeter lipped area and is used as an adhesive to hold the niche in place without mechanical fasteners. After installations, all joints are taped and filled with the appropriate backer board tape and thin set. Make sure the HydroBand waterproofing covers all backer board and ties the backer board into the niche, floor pan, and curve assembly. HydroBand waterproofing requires 2 coats and should dry to a consistent uniform color. After the HydroBand waterproofing membrane has been installed with 2 coats and has dried, you can then install the preformed seat. Using the medium bed mortar, first key in the substrate, then final trialing in one direction. The back and the bottom of the seat should be keyed in as well, prior to the setting of the seat in place. This HydroBand pre-slope shower pan kit comes with an adjustable grate assembly. By simply screwing in or out, you can adjust the grate to the height of your tile. This shower assembly is now ready for tile. And now, with our seat installation complete, we have our finished demonstration of the Laticrete HydroBand shower system.
Thanks, Gerald. And thank you for joining us for this edition of Tile TV's Tile Tip. I'm Michelle Smith. We'll see you next time.
Tile TV is brought to you by these fine sponsors: Laticrete and OMG National. Research, production, and distribution by OMG National and its Tile TV division. For a full-service approach to marketing in a self-service world, call, click, or visit OMG National today.